Powerside and G&W Electric sign a Memorandum of Understanding to offer power quality technologies that enable transformation of the electric grid. The rapidly changing power grid requires both accurate sensing and extensive power quality monitoring. Press release from Alameda, California. Powerside and G&W Electric, two manufacturing leaders of grid technology solutions, have signed a Memorandum of Understanding to provide innovative power quality system solutions for greater visibility into the rapidly changing power grid. Powerside and G&W Electric have collaborated on complex customer projects and most recently provided a solution to monitor a distribution system heavy in distributed energy resources. This project has utility-scale battery energy storage, solar power, and wind generation. G&W Electric provided metering class combined current voltage sensors, and Powerside provided a combined P-Cube3 power analyzer and micro PMU system. This system solution enables the utility to monitor the impact that DERs have on their grid with dynamic power quality measurement and real-time synchrophasor data at multiple locations on the grid. Powerside and G&W Electric also have intentions to collaborate on power quality solutions integrated into G&W Electric switchgear. This will enable providing a versatile, dual-purpose solution that combines switching and power quality applications in one packaged solution. The two companies have synergies with extensive catalogs of innovative product offerings. G&W Electric offers complete lines of sensing equipment, as well as overhead and underground switchgear. G&W Electric's sensors are metering class capacitive voltage dividers and Rogowski coil current sensors with wide dynamic range and high-frequency measurement. Powerside's flagship product is the P-Cube3 Power Quality Analyzer, a small yet rugged power quality monitor with conducted emissions measurement, 2 to 150 kHz, event recording, reporting abilities, and communications. Powerside's micro PMU product enables real-time, precise phasor measurements designed for DER-impacted distribution grids. This agreement between Powerside and G&W Electric is a great opportunity to rapidly provide complete grid technology solutions to customers. In this era of a rapidly changing grid, customers need accurate sensing and power quality monitoring for their projects, and they need them now. We are excited to promote the extremely accurate and innovative G&W Electric sensors to our international customers, and we look forward to crafting packaged solutions using our Powerside P-Cube3 and micro PMU products along with G&W Electric sensors and switchgear, says Spiros Georgiadis, Powerside Vice President of Global Sales. John Gauneris, G&W Electric Vice President of Marketing, states, G&W Electric and Powerside are natural partners in providing a best-in-class solution for utility customers needing more visibility and control over their distribution grids. More and more distributed generation is added every day, and utilities will need solutions to monitor the impacts these resources will have and quickly react to any issues. This has been a press release for Powerside in Alameda, California. Contact sales at powerside.com or info at gwelec.com for more information.